Gruezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, we're going to show you how to make Dongpo Pork. This braised pork belly dish originates from Hangzhou, China. It does take a bit of time to make, but we promise you, every ounce of your patience is going to be worth it when you taste that perfectly tender, succulent pork with the richness and umami flavors infused to every fiber of meat. Are you hungry by the sound of it yet? Then let's roll into the kitchen and start making a beautiful pot of Dongpo Pork. We'll first begin with cleaning and parboil 1 kilogram of pork belly. Roughly slice 10 grams of ginger and put it into a pot with 2 white heads of scallion, 1 liter of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Start your fire and bring them to just a slight simmer, not boiling. When you see the water starts to lightly bubble, drop the pork in. Blanch the pork for roughly 2 minutes until it's just tightened. Remove the pork and rinse it under cold water for a couple of seconds. Then pat it dry. Next up, you will cut the pork into 4 big square pieces like we do here. Use a string to tie it in a cross shape like so. This is to help the pork retaining its form as it's being cooked down slowly in the sauce. After all the pork pieces are nicely tied, let's move on to prepare our aromatics. Cut 50 grams of scallion into big chunks. Roughly sliced 30 grams of ginger and 3 nice big chilli. Once done cutting and slicing, you can put all the ingredients into the pot. First, a layer of scallion, then the ginger and chilies. On top of them, you can place the pork pieces, skin side down. Now, it's time for seasoning. Add to the pot 8 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of special dark soy sauce, 60 grams of rock sugar, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of MSG. Also add 500 milliliters of water, 3 star anises, and 2 bay leaves. Now, all you need is to cover the pot and cook everything on low heat for 90 minutes. At the 1 hour mark, remember to flip your meat so both sides can equally bathe in the sauce. You know how China is communist. It's very important that everything must be equal. 1.5 hours has finally passed, and you have done a very wonderful job resisting the temptation of the lovely aroma of ginger and spices and soy sauce. It's time to reward yourself for all that patience and effort with the perfectly tender, juicy, sweet pork with a bowl of steaming white rice. Just take a bite and you see why this recipe has stood the test of time and kept being passed down from generations to generations. And if you want to learn more classic culinary enduring recipes like this one, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more heavenly recipes. And now, all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm and dig in.